YouTube. This is Kamisha from Kamisha's Corner and Sensational Touch. Welcome back to my channel. I will be cutting one of the shampoo bars that I just made. This one has organic aloe vera, cucumber, and spirulina. Alrighty, so I'll be using my knife to cut this time, not my crinkle cutter. And this will be episode 2 of Soaping and Spirituality. So we are now in our new year. We talked about that in our last episode of Soaping and Spirituality. And we are in the month of Tahuti of the year 421. Yes, 421. And if you want to know 420 what, we're in the year 421 of the sidereal year. And in a sidereal year, there are 1,460 years plus one for readjustment. And we're in year 422 of that count. So the sidereal calendar is a calendar that all camels around the globe use in order to track the year. We use the sidereal calendar because it is the one calendar that actually follows a specific astronomical event that happens within the cosmos. So our calendar does not follow any type of religious or political agenda. It is actually a calendar that charts a specific cosmic occurrence that happens in a cyclical manner. That means it happens specifically at the same time every 1,461 years. 60 years and one for readjustment. And that is when the Sirius star, the sun, and the earth all are lined up in one complete alignment. Yep. So, I have finished cutting, well, almost finished cutting this soap, and you can see the insides. It has a little bit of a brown around the outside and green on the inside, but it's not going to stay looking like that. It's going to all turn uniform looking. So again, this has some aloe vera in it. It has cucumber in it. And it has a wonderful blend of vegetable and seed oils. All vegan. This is our shampoo bars. This is also made with some neem oil. All things that are really, really good for your hair as well as for your skin. So these are shampoo bars. But you know me, I like to make my skin and scalp products. So although it's a shampoo bar, is good for the skin as well as the hair. Okay, so if you're interested in pre-ordering, we still have to wait about 4 to 6 weeks for these bars to fully cure. If you're interested in pre-ordering, you can look in the description box below and send me an email, kamishita@kamishita'scorner.com, and let me know how many bars you want. You can order 1, 2, or 3 bars, no more than 3, for the pre-order, and you will receive $1 off the online price if you decide to do that. Thank you for joining me. This is the last 2 bars of soap, shampoo bars, that I will be cutting. And these bars are scented with green tea cucumber. Nice, light, refreshing, fresh scent. You're going to love it. Once again, guys, thank you for watching. These are the latest soaps. Please give this video a thumbs up. Put a comment down below. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you on the next video. Please stay tuned for the cutting. I hope you enjoy.